Hi, I hope everyone is fine. In this video, I will show you AI website where you can turn low resolution image into high resolution in just 10 seconds. So let's start it. Open your browser, write on search bar replicate.com slash suju slash code farmer. Enter. Website is open. So website interface you can see. After this, scroll down and click on drop a file or click select. After this, select low resolution image. I downloaded from internet. After this, you can set balance quality and easily upscale and downscale. After uploaded image, submit it. It takes just 10 to 20 seconds. You can see here is left click on it and right click, save as output. Okay, now we are testing other image like this one. Okay, you can see resolution is very low. Submit. Wait, and boom, our image turned into high resolution. Right click on again, save as and save. I have this file. You can check its quality and now see output. This is the first image output, this one, and you can see the difference. I hope this website helped in your work. Thanks for watching.